Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create an animated pop-up effect in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. To start, I added a regular text title above a video clip on my timeline. First, go to the inspector for the text and select the video tab. Position the time marker at the beginning of the text clip. Then click the keyframe diamond next to zoom to set the starting keyframe. Change the zoom value to 0. Click the diamond below to view the keyframes as you animate. Next, press the right arrow key 5 times to move the time marker forward by 5 frames. Double-click the zoom value and change it to 1.2 to create a second keyframe. Press the right arrow key 3 more times, then set the zoom value to 0.95. Press the right arrow key 3 more times and change the zoom to 1. Now when you played it back, you'll see a smooth pop effect. To make the text pop back out, position the time marker where you want to start. Click the keyframe diamond next to zoom again to create a keyframe at its current position. Press the right arrow key 3 times, then change the zoom to 0.95. Press the right arrow key another 3 times and set the zoom to 1.2. Finally, press the right arrow key 5 more times and change the zoom to 0. And that is everything you need to know about how to create an animated pop effect in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.